Got it.
Yeah, he said it. No. Check it out.
Here, hold the light.
Okay. All the very messed up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
You can feel it. This cannot come out?
No, try. I can't because you see this is okay because sometimes when I pull it the chin,
Yeah.
didn't come out
break?
anymore. Yeah, I'll try it, never come out because the metal go inside the key, no open the click, no open. You see?
This can come out.
Yeah, that one just okay, but that one no. Try.
Oh, but I see the clip down there.
Yeah, but when I see
It don't come out, huh?
the metal inside, I can lose it.
Oh, you try the heat?
Yeah, I tried.
The heat?
Yeah.
Fire?
A fire.
And then press it?
No, you see the click too, all of them open. See? These are easy for to get out. You see? That one not coming out anymore. No, look, he can keep it. Coming out.
Oh.
But the metal inside, the bearing all messed up.
Oh.
Yeah.
So if you can take it out, then you can reuse it.
No, this is one in place and put another one.
Oh.
The whole thing, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we see somebody maybe before the review. Yeah, I think it's the same, but no, different case.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, the same VIN number. I did not know the VIN number matches the car.
Yeah, all the time coming different.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know.
No. Yeah, the color number, yeah.
Oh.
All right.
All right.
Okay, yo.
So you try to do this like so Monday or Tuesday is. Oh. Yeah. If you want my dad to come over and take a look with you, it has to be Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah, okay.
Because he's gonna go Reno with me.
Oh, it's fine. Okay, yo.
Yeah. So if you open up and you want him to come over and take a look, you call me.
Okay, all right.
Or if you don't need him, then.
It's okay. Okay. All right, yo.
Yeah. Because he rebuilt it before too.
Yeah.